Hi everyone, it's Kaitlyn, the Human Resources and Marketing intern at TLC. Today I'm on a design and build job site yet again. I'm here for a second update about a current project they're working on. It is a beautiful day here. They're going to kind of walk me through the progress that they've made, exactly what's going on, and I'm going to let Stefan take it away and tell me what's happening today.
Hey guys, Stefan again, back here at the Wortley job site. We made quite a bit of progress in the last 5 days, so I'm going to walk you guys through that. So we've got our dig out done for the first independent wall. So all of the dirt has been removed. We've got some ultra base under there and some HPB screening to set these base blocks on, and then we'll be going up with the Brussels. And you can see that over here that we've already got started on that process. So at this point, the ultra base is in. We have these base blocks in. These will get glued to the base blocks, and then the Brussels gets turned on its side to act as a cap, and that will behave as a step with a beautiful patio here.
What's the ultra base?
So the ultra base is an upgraded base that we use as opposed to traditional gravel installation with bedding sand. Sometimes customers have the option, or usually they do, to upgrade to this ultra base. So it's compactable concrete. It's done in the same way. So this is 5 inches compacted to 4. It's a much better base and it increases the warranty. And then we use the HPB screening for drainage and then to lay the stone on, and it just makes for a better install.
Awesome.
Yeah, and so we've matched the existing step really nicely. So it's a true 7-inch step, which is what most people feel as natural as they walk upstairs. And then we've made a lot of headway over here as well. So our outdoor kitchen and pavilion are still going on, and we still got a long way to go, but we've got all the loose soil off, and we do that so that there's no disturbed soil. It's good for the concrete to settle on. We've added a bunch of clear stone here just to bring up that base so that the concrete is not overly thick. And then more importantly, we've got all these piers dug for support. They're going to be tied in together on a concrete pour for the pad. And then in all the 4 corners, we have belled out post holes. So
what are those for?
So these are going to be post supports for the pavilion. So we have 4 here. They're 12 inches wide on the initial dig, but they're belled at the bottom, and that's to prevent heaving. The frost will do that, and of course we live in southwestern Ontario, so we get a lot of that. They're belled out to 2 feet wide at the bottom. So if you can imagine the pressure of the frost trying to lift up a wider base, it makes it a lot harder to do that. So we have that here, here, there, and there. And so we're going to form, today what we're continuing to do is form those pads so we can pour them tomorrow. Pad 1 and pad 2. This is the outdoor kitchen, and that's the wood burning oven there. And we'll also be digging channels for gas risers and conduits today. And that's where we've got to. So
awesome.
We'll see you guys next week, and thanks a lot.